Hey everybody, Daniel with BTR Outfitters. Today we are doing a 3.5 inch ReadyLIFT lift kit on a standard work truck Colorado. This particular lift comes with a set of Falcon rear shocks that are fully adjustable, as well as your front coilovers. Now, an awesome thing with these Falcons is that that little knob, you can flip that between 3 different settings, which gives you a soft, a medium, and a harder ride. So on the front coilovers, there's actually 3 adjustments on them as well. You do have to tear them down. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have the factories on the left and the add-ons or aftermarkets on the right. So this is your front suspension. See how many wraps that coil spring has compared to the factory? That's going to give you better bounce and sway control, as well as there's your lift. It's also a lot denser. That top spacer that I just picked up is actually, the factory one has just a flat rubber mount, to where this actually has a 360 pivot. So you have a full articulating plate on top of this that will give you the rock back and forth as well as the lean. So therefore, if you get into those rock crawl spots, it gives you that extra little wiggle that you need so you don't break stuff off. So now this is your factory upper control arm. Not to down anybody, but that's a pavement princess control arm. I mean, that thing's meant to go up and down the road, and that's about it. It's a hollow core, it's a stamped steel, very minimal ball joint, and really if you look at those control arm bushings, those things are pretty pathetic looking. Now this bad boy, so you've increased to a heavy wall tubing design that's actually closed off, a beefy ball joint that can handle some abuse, and then those control arm bushings are actually a slip style bushing, so it's going to give you longer life out of the bushing as compared to the factory style, which are pressed in. The other nice thing is this ball joint is a press in ball joint with a lock ring, so if you were ever to have to service it, it's super simple.